How's it going, guys? This is what I worked on today on my kind of day off of working on my drone. This is a robot car kit from Elegoo that I got for my birthday like a year and a month ago. And this is the Arduino code that I pieced together from several different sources, but largely kind of just made up myself. And it kind of works. So I'll just show you real quick just for fun because it's fun. So here you don't need to point it. And apparently this controller has a range of about 1.5 miles, which is pretty crazy. Yeah. So I'll just turn that on. And so this is the controller that I have for my drone. Anyway, and this has a little Arduino Uno in it. So I can make it go forward, and I can turn it left or right, and it's pretty slow, but if I'll just turn it around. And then this is kind of weird. If I tell it to go all the way as fast as it can go, the right side turns off, and so it just spins in circles. Or I can use it to my advantage to make it turn really fast. So, yeah, because otherwise it just turns really slowly. Yeah, but that way it's fast. Okay, yeah, it's kind of hard to control. Anyway, that's it. Just wanted to show off my little fun Arduino project. So, there he is. Tomorrow I will have my, oh, come on, whatever. Okay, it's in its charging spot now. Tomorrow I'll have my motors for my drone. So, make sure you watch that video, and I'll be able to hopefully get it in the sky with its magnetometer and the barometer and stuff, so that'll be fun. Anyway, thanks you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.